This product got delivered within 2 days of me ordering. I ordered it online on Amazon. I had read upon a lot of reviews, and after I found that this was quite good and was reviewed very well by a lot of customers, so I went on to buy this NIVIA Venom sports glove. This comes only in this black color, and it definitely looks very premium on the first look of it. The leather texture is quite good and looks durable, and the stitches are also looking very good. This small attachment near the finger is useful while removing the gloves after workout. I mainly bought this glove because I have very soft palms and hands, and while workout if I get some cuts or some small bruises which actually hinders my next day job. I'm really need to use my hands during my work, and these small cuts will hinder my normal work. So this gloves is really useful for someone with soft hands, and also if you don't want to have your palms becoming rugged, it is very useful. This definitely fits very well on my hands, and it is quite good. Especially the wrist support is also very useful. It gives a good amount of support at the level of the wrist for workouts and when we lift heavy weights. During workout, I found the grip to be quite good with these gloves. Before ordering, make sure you measure your hand circumference at just below the thumb level, and use this chart to choose the size of your glove. This is one of the best and recommended options for if you want a gym glove with a wrist support and within a decent budget and a value for money purchase. Wish you all a lot of gains from your workouts, and go for it.